Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can go live on your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app and here you can see what's on your mind. Just tap right here. Now scroll down and here you can see live video. If that option is not showing to you, you can just simply go on your Play Store and update your Facebook account and then you will be able to go live. So just tap right here. Here are the different options. Just tap on the go live and here you can see I am live here now. After ending your broadcast, here are the different options you can see. If you want to private your live video, you can just simply tap on only me. But if you want to show to public, tap on public. Or if you want to show to your friends, just tap on friends. So also you can delete your video from here. Tap on delete. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.